Hey guys, Planet Everything here, and today we have something that I hope will make it so everything sticks to the bed of my 3D printer. So this is some kind of a Gecko Tek bed. I heard about it on YouTube from a YouTube channel called 3D Printing Nerd. I watch him sometimes on 3D printing things, and just he's got some interesting videos. So if you want to, go check him out. You should. And so this is something called Gecko Tek. They make a bunch of different sizes of these mats, and they have either hot or room temperature easy stick Gecko Tek mats. So I think all I have to do is put this on my 3D printing bed because I bought it for, I'm pretty sure, the right size for my bed of my 3D printer. My 3D printing bed is really bad. Like, I really have messed it up over the year, over the past 6 months. And so, yeah, this is hopefully going to also really reduce the amount of issues I have due to that extremely, really messed up surface here. So that should just adhere onto here, and I'm not going to be using any or printing anything that's going to print outside of these boundaries anyway. So it's a little bit small, but as far as I'm concerned, it's just fine. I'm just going to try to get all these bubbles out, and then I'm going to put it on the printer, adjust the Z offset, and I'm going to print another one of those wheels. So with those wheels, I've actually been having a little bit of an issue with how they adhere to the build plate and that. I don't have an example right now, but, oh, here. Well, this one was really, like, obviously quite a bad first layer. It ultimately failed, because sometimes they do, and I don't know how to fix that. But, you can see this is like very badly adhering to the build plate, so hopefully this will fix that. But I'll take a time lapse of this so you guys can see if there's any difference here, and you can actually see this Gecko Tek working. That's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also please share it with your friends. Show you caring.